little thing here, right? So this is what's called an investment. That you're setting up a company, okay? Year zero means right this second. So you make yourself a little chart.
Even mine
Yeah, it's there. So what you do is you set yourself up a little graph, okay? And we start off with zero. Zero means right now, today, right now, okay? It goes, give me 12 grand. What does the minus mean? You're going to lose 12 grand, okay? Now, what that means is we'll just put X here, and we'll put year here, and then we'll put net present value here, okay? Now that's year zero. They tell me to give them 12 grand. 12 grand today is still 12 grand today. Do you understand it? There's no future value associated with that, okay? Now the next thing they're going to say is, in 1 year's time, you're going to lose 7,500 euro. Okay? Huh? Another 7,500. Okay? And the deal is with this one is that 7,500, losing 7,500 1 year later is the same thing. You do your F equals, I'll just do workings over here. You do your F equals P plus 1 plus I. Okay? Power T. It's only 1 year, so it's the power of 1. And what you can say is, well, look, my final value, my P value, my present value, could be the same as my final value divided by to the power of. We're going to use that formula over and over and over again. Okay? So what we're going to get is our final value is 7,500. Yeah, it is minus 7,500, you're correct. And it could have grown at 4.5%, which is the same thing as 1.045.
Yeah.
So losing that money in a year's time is equivalent to losing 7,500 divided by 1.045. It's equivalent to losing 7,177 euro and 3 cents today. So 7,177.03. So losing 7,500 in a year's time is the same thing as losing 7,177 euro today.
What does that mean?
Because you could have invested it. You could invest your 7,177 for the year, and it'd sum up to 7,500 euro in a year.
What does that mean for the question if you're a potential investor? Is it
yeah, just let me continue a bit longer, right? Alright, next one, guys, year two. What to say about year two? They're going to give us 1,500 euro in 2 years' time. But what I want to know is, how much would that be worth right now? Will it be worth more or less right now? Less, because we can invest a smaller sum of money to rise up to 1,500. So what we're going to do is our P value equals F is 1,500. Once again, divided by 1.045 squared this time. Alright, so 1,500 divided by 1.045 squared. What you get?
1373.
Yeah, so 59. Yeah, we'll keep it that way. 1373.59. Is that right with you guys? Go again. What's the next one then? We're on year 3. So what's year 3 then? Year 3 says they're going to give us 8,250 euro in 3 years' time. But 3 years' time, that'll be worth a bit less today, wouldn't it? So how do we do it again? Our P value equals our F value divided by
1.045 cubed.
Yeah. We could, because it's 8,250 euro in 3 years' time, we could take a smaller sum of money, invest it for 3 years, and it'll sum up to 8,250 euro in 3 years' time. So we'll figure out what that is now. .045 to the power of 3. What do we get?
7229.
So 45, yeah?
Yeah.
So what we're arguing here is that, giving me 8,250 euro, 45, sorry, Giving me €8,250 in 3 years' time is the same thing as giving me €7,229.45 today, and then I'll just invest it and it'll sum up to the same amount. Okay, and finally, what's the last one? Is 11,300 in 4 years' time. So €11,300 in 4 years' time. So what's the present value then? 1,000, and then
1.045
to the power of 4. Okay. Divided by 1.045 to the power of
9475.
power of 4, yeah. So what you get?
9475.
0.74. Okay. Now, to sum up whether this is a worthwhile investment or not, here's what we do. Getting rid of investing €12,000 right now is losing €12,000. Losing €7,500 in a year's time is the same thing as losing 7,177.03 right now. Gaining €1,500 in 2 years' time is the same thing as gaining 1,373.59 right now. Gaining €8,250 in 3 years' time is the same thing as getting €7,229.45 right now. And finally, getting €11,300 in 4 years' time is the same thing as getting €9,475.74 today.
You just see if it balances out.
I add all these numbers up, and if it's bigger than 0, it's a good investment. If it's smaller than 0, I'm making a loss today.
How does that have to be a good bit bigger, or it just has to be bigger?
It just has to be bigger. If it breaks even, it's a neutral investment. 0.45.
9475.74.
Okay. Equals, it's a negative number. What have we lost? We've lost €1,098.25. What does that mean?
Bad investment.
Bad investment. Your NPV is less than 0 as minus 1,098.25, less than 0. Bad investment. Okay.